it's Paige West here from Electronic Specifier, and I'm here at Southern Manufacturing and Electronics 2025, and I've popped by the SolderKing stand to chat with Chris. So thanks very much for speaking with us. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about the company?
Okay, my pleasure. So my name is Chris Ward. I'm the COO, co-founder and director of SolderKing. My company is SolderKing. We specialise on manufacturing high-performance solders, fluxes and related products, such as solder wires, solder pastes, bar solders and rework consumables.
Fantastic. So as a co-founder then, why don't you walk us through the idea of what inspired you to found the company and how you sort of differentiate yourself in a competitive market?
Okay, so we founded the company in 2018 with the main purpose of providing high-performance solders that meet the challenging demands of evolving processes.
Fantastic. And walk us through what some of those challenges are that engineers face and how your products help them.
Okay, so one of the main challenges is, like I say, keeping up with the evolving trends. We have our good sales partners who potentially provide robots for soldering. A robotic application requires a solder wire that flows incredibly fast, whereas an operator can compensate. A robot needs a product that's consistent, so that's where we've focused on the CXW70 range of products that just flow exceptionally well.
Fantastic. And you've got a range of products on show here, which we'll show you in a minute. Yeah. But can you walk us through your product lines for us?
Yeah, so we manufacture a wide range of products, but what we've got here today on demonstration is the CXW70 solder wire that I've already mentioned. We have the SK-P25 solder paste, which I have to say is an exceptional product. The reason for that is it's got low voiding capabilities, it performs incredibly well on the stencil, and we've got a really good success rate with that, with some incredible momentum building behind it. We also have our liquid flux range, which perform incredibly well for wave soldering and selective soldering processes.
Excellent. And how's the show been for you? I mean, it's really busy here today.
The show has been fantastic. I think the level of enthusiasm that electronic manufacturers are providing is exceptional. It's been a very good show. I'm looking forward to the afternoon, and long may it continue.
Fantastic. And if you could sum it up for us then, Chris, in a couple of sentences, what is your overall mission here at Southern Manufacturing this week?
It's to spread the good word of SolderKing. Our main goal is to have as many customers, as many end users enjoying our products. So to spread the good word, to get the samples out there, and to let people know that there's a British manufacturer knocking down the doors and providing very good support.
Excellent, I love that. Well, thank you very much for speaking with us, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you, my pleasure.